green one.
Oops, I almost took your pile.
Look at the green can. There's some kitty cards right there.
You know, this card next here? The two cats on them. Just like the two cats from the barn. And
that can. Okay, I'll put Belly in here.
alright, put it right back in there.
Put it back in here.
Let's see. Does it work right?
This one works better.
This paper fell out. Okay, let's try a different one. It's supposed to have this paper in here, I think. Okay, Shannon.
Down the
Here.
wall.
I don't know if it's the right way. No?
Down the wall.
Let's see. Let's turn it around. This one's dead. It's worse than the other one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
And draw a
Do
face.
another A. Oh.
Got 2 eyes. Draw another eye right here. Okay, draw a nose right there in the middle. Very good.
What's that?
Oh, that's good, Shayna. Now, can you draw those letters again? A.
She knows how to draw an A.
Okay, do an A for me.
Remember up, down,
Those
cross?
I got 2 legs.
It's got lots of legs.
2 eyes.
Another eye.
Eyes.
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 Well, that's a,
Eyes. Eyes.
oh, look at those they look like bubbles. Hmm?
Look at the letters.
Look at those letters. Mm.
Let go. Pony.
How about a raccoon? Can you draw a raccoon now? Can you draw a raccoon like mine? Can you draw one like that? Can you draw one like that?
Stick your foot over the edge. Stick your foot over. Stick your foot over.
I see a little bit of butt showing. I see.
Stick your foot over, Shayna. Put your hand over.
Oh.
It was giving Mouthy the evil eye. The cat winked at me. Touch him with your foot, Shayna.
Touch it with your foot. Step on it. Step on it.
Oh, silly cat.